Greetings! In today's video, I'll be taking a closer look at what's in this little tin. Now, this is a generic tin. What's special is what's inside. And these are the 5 colors from Roman Szmal's sort of trial set. I'll put an image of what the set looks like on screen right now. I don't think I kept the box of mine because this has been open for quite a bit, but it's this small box that comes with 5 full pans at a very affordable price. You get a yellow, a red, a blue, a green, and kind of a earthy color. Now I will be again preparing swatches and also do a mixing chart for these since there's only 5 colors, and I'll paint something with the paints, and then we'll be able to again come back to these and talk about these, and I'll share my thoughts and impressions with you guys. The paint set comes with 5 colors. You get a yellow in the lemon yellow PY61, you get a red in the Aquarius red PR214, and you get a blue in the ultramarine light PB29. Not the most versatile primary triad out there, but it is probably the one people are the most familiar with. That's the one we were all taught in school. Then you also get the beautiful Aquarius green, and also a caput mortuum with this set. The Aquarius green is a mix of 3 pigments, PY150, so a nickel azo yellow, PBR25, so a reddish brown, and PB29 ultramarine blue. The caput mortuum is a red iron oxide, PR102. Since this set only has 5 colors, I did a small mixing chart just to get a vague idea of what kind of colors you can mix with these. You can get a really nice orange from the yellow and the red. You can get a really nice purple from the red and the blue. And you get sort of a more muted light green when you mix the yellow and the blue together. Now, if you add in the 2 other colors, you get some really interesting muted mixes here. If you mix the caput mortuum and the ultramarine light, depending on the balance of the colors, you can get close to a mostly neutral gray. For my little sketches, this little one here, I wanted to use the orange, because what prompted me these little drawings is I looked at the color mixes and I was like, which mix do I feel like featuring permanently in a little drawing? And I was like, this orange is really beautiful. I would like to use this. So I had the idea for this scene from looking at this color, and then I wanted to feature some of the mixed greens you can get from this set, which inspired this other page. I hope it's visible just how well these paints behaved and how professional they work, in the sense that you can layer them, no problem, you can mix them, no problem, and they look really good. Like even here where I piled on a lot of layers of color, it's still a beautiful outcome, and it makes for a really useful palette that is mostly on the muted side, but as a result of that it's very cohesive together, and it makes for really fun scenes that have a nice mood if you approach them with color theory in mind. Now again, these paints, they're from Roman Szmal, the quality is top, the colors are beautiful. This Aquarius green is a really fun color, and they were very pleasant to use. I wanted to make this little video because if you've seen this set and you were a bit intimidated by the color selection and weren't quite sure what you could do with this or where to start with this, I would say start by making your own mixing chart to have that as a reference, and then just play with the colors and do some mixes and try some things and paint whatever you want. And you will be able to get a lot done with these 5 colors. And now, what do you guys think of this set? Does this color selection appeals to you? What do you make of it? Do you have any favorite colors in the mixes? Please let me know in the comments below. I always appreciate reading your thoughts, and we will see each other in the next video. Bye bye!